Turn it on again. Yeah, see, it's just locked up.
Tools you want me to get to the garage?
Ah. Put this right here.
Oh, do they? Isn't that right in the way?
Well, it's I just need a longer piece of that. Yeah. I mean, should I see if it primes up by itself? I don't think usually you gotta prime it.
Yeah.
I mean, this is too short too. They want you to add a primer valve there. This won't fit
Why won't that fit?
because there's nothing to put it in. There's that little hole right there, but it's not gonna shred into that. I mean, they say just prime it from that spot.
want a socket?
You got one?
Yeah. What size is that?
5/16. Got it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You want this?
Yeah. Just got back from the hardware store. That cuts it nice. Alright, that's on there. Okay.
There's a jug of water there.
Should I use that jug? Or should I go get pond water?
Where'd you get that water?
The garage. That pump works, but it doesn't. I think the pipe from the house to the garage is frozen. And that pump doesn't ever turn off. Wait a second. That's working now. There it goes. So you can see it building pressure. And you can see it right there. And this gauge is a little more stable. Alright, and that should run, fills up the pressure and turn off. What did it turn off at 35? I got it. All right. All right, the well pump's installed. So probably got to say, since I've been living here 35 years, I don't know, that's probably pump number, I want to say 8. Maybe 6 or 7. Is it still leaking? Write the date on here. I always like putting the date on appliances like this. Dry. So we are in. And these markers, you ever see these things are cool? We're in 2-21. You can see the old one here had a date. So that one, 10-14. That's a decent run for one of those pumps. I mean, I've seen them last longer. I've seen them last less. I mean, one good way to ruin these pumps is if like the foot valve is bad and it's like it pumps all the water up, then it just goes right back down to the well and it's just running constantly. Another way to ruin them is if that pressure tank is bad and then it's like short cycling where it clicks on, clicks off, clicks on, clicks off. One time I had to change this pipe underground. That was actually the first time I ever ran an excavator, was putting this pipe in. And then while I was at it, I was like, oh, let's put water in the garage. And then this is the pipe to the garage. But the garage water was working, but it was freezing. This pipe at least freezes, but I mean, it will work in the summer, but right now, nothing. And I've been slowly switching everything to the PEX pipe. A lot easier to deal with than soldering the copper. And this is a cheap eBay on-demand water heater, but actually, you know, it's picky, it's problematic, hard to get it working good. But you know, look, I made it since 16, and that was only like $200 for that guy. Endless hot water. Jeez, look at this thing though. It's probably, you can change this. Alright, well, we're all done. Levi, is the water fixed? There's your friend. There's your friend Cody. Where's the other dog? How you doing? Hey. Hey, Lacey. There's your kitty friend. This is Luca. Hey, Luca. Cody, are you a little rough for Luca? No, come on, Cody. Don't be rough. Hey, Lacey. Or Daisy. You're the dog with 2 names. Cody gets jealous.